an I-shaped main kitchen with an island makes suitable for most types of kitchens. And you can see here the island, there's no handle with less lines, so it makes more integrated. Also, you can focus on here. We build a shed lines here, so many European customers or the customers in Australia or New Zealand will like this style so much. Also, let's try the drawers first. You can see we use a 45 degrees handle, and it's absolutely not sharp. It won't hurt your fingers at all. Also, every cabinet we use the soft closing. Yes. And some clients may wondering if I want less lines in my kitchen, how do I do? So here is the answer. We could use two cabinets together, like these two drawers together, to make a whole drawer just with a panel at the middle. And some friends may be wondering, you have so many fancy designs, how about the quality? So now how do we test it? Why not come for a lovely girl? Sammy, trust me and stand here. Okay, you see, the sliders is very safety and steady. It can hold a body which about 50 kilograms. Okay, just take care. Thank you, Sammy.
You're welcome.
It still works well. See that? Okay, and if this island, if you want to make a dinner, you can see this is not very convenient because the countertop didn't extend out. So our designer could help you to make more suitable designs. Just extend the countertop out, and so you could sit here and put the legs here. Okay, let's follow to this main kitchen part. You can see here the kitchen is an island against the wall with so many drawers and some. Do you know what it is? This is horizontal doors. I will introduce it to you later. So the drawers make the kitchen more reasonable with more useful space. It's very convenient when you open the drawer to get something out instead of the hinge doors. Also, for the wall cabinet, we used some extra different designs. I will show you one by one. The first one, we used the bifold doors. So the two door panel will open together, so you can get the stuffs here clearly and take some things easily. And the second one, we used a smooth motion. It's still a horizontal door, but this space is more suitable to put a machine like a coffee machine or for your breakfast. And the third one, we choose the stainless bar type. These three different types you can compare together. You see, there's three different types, have different functions and different price. For example, this will be more suitable for space using, but we need to care about the cabinet. The door panel is a little about the cabinet. So when you design the kitchen, the cabinet won't be designed to the ceilings. Our designer will help you to fix this. The second part, it will save you more space because the door panel will get extended, not so extended. So you could save your space and won't hit your head The second part is most easily and most safety cost. Also, they're all in soft closing, same as Chinese comfort. And somebody may wondering if I want more convenient design to take something out. Here we are, the open cabinet. We designed an open area under the wall cabinet so you could take everything more easily when cooking or do something here. And we also could add a recessed light here with different colors. Try to imagine in the midnight, you get up with your wife or husband. You could come here, open the store light, you could have a small drink. What a romantic things. Yes. I'm not sure if you have noticed that when I open the wall cabinet, we choose the car case, even the same color as the door panel. Yes, we care more even than yourselves. Because our PRODECO was making customized like this. Okay, next to the kitchen part, we have some pantries. For example, like the pantry for built-in appliance. If you don't want to put the appliance on your desk, on your tables, or somewhere else, just to put them into the cabinetries. PRODECO has this. Also, if you are interested in the appliance, just send inquiries to our sales. They will give you what they have. And next to this, we have a big pantry for pull-out basket. So you can see here are so many baskets here, and also you could take out things from both sides. You can see me here, yes. Yes, it's very save your space and very convenient for you to put or take something. Also, as some people may caring about the material we're using, so I'll add some samples to you. Okay. For the first one, we call it waterproof particle board. It's waterproof and it's strong enough for your cabinetry using, and it's most common in the market. The second part, the second material is the plywood. We use the plywood for more high-end cabinetry, and our plywood have 11 layers, which is not every supplier could supply. The third one is the MDF. It has a smoothly surface, so the lacquer could finish on this, and it could design to many different shapes. Yes, so these three materials could meet your all requirements. But some clients may still wondering, what they're still in wooden car case. What if my house is soaks in the water in all day? Here, I was ready already.